So, you are Tangkhul, Meitei, Kabui, or any 7 clans tribes who still follow SANAMAHI-PAKHANGPA LAINING. Do you even know that our forefathers' religion has a unique symbol? Yes, Lining Tho Sanamahi has a spectacular holy symbol, since time immemorial shown here called Ama the One, written in Wakolon Hilal, Tilel, Salai, Amai, Lon Pokok Puya, popularly known as Wakolon Puya.
The symbol is the composite concept of the 5 elements of universe: the fire, water, air, earth, and space, with me the universal life force, spirits, the Almighty Godfather. So dear brother and sisters, let's embrace our rich culture and traditions of our forefathers. Nong Mata Pakpa Machana, Nini Shiva Haunada.
So, let us dig out our buried history and free ourselves from Westerner and colonizer, Borna Kanglacia, Dia Kanglacia.